Looking for a natural, chemical-free way to make coconut oil at home? You are in the right place. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to make pure homemade coconut oil using just simple tools and fresh coconuts. The list of ingredients will be in the description box below. To grate the coconuts, you are to use a grater or a food processor. Hey lovelies, do let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. After grating your coconut, then you are to transfer into your blender. Add little water to your coconut before blending. After blending, pour your mixture into a cheesecloth or sieve just like mine. Make sure you extract every drop. Pour your coconut milk into a bowl and allow it to sit undisturbed for 8 hours in the freezer. This allows the cream to separate from the water naturally. Here's the result after 8 hours. Skin off the thick cream layer and transfer it to a pan. Heat it up gently on low heat. I had to transfer it into a pot because the pan was too small. Stir occasionally. Once all moisture has evaporated and you are left with clear oil, turn off the heat. Strain the oil using a fine strainer or cheesecloth and pour it into a clean container. And there you have it, homemade coconut oil, perfect for cooking, oral care, skincare, hair care, even DIY beauty product. Natural, affordable, and made with love right in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural living tips. See you in my next video. Bye.